students and parents of St. Aloysius Gonzaga School, Mangalore. A very good morning to all of you. Every year on June 1st, we used to begin our academic year. But this year, due to this crisis of COVID-19, we are unable to start this academic year. However, we know the life has to go on, so also our education and learning must go on. Though it may not be in similar manner, but yet through alternative mode we need to continue learning and our education must continue. I am happy to tell you that we at St. Aloysius Gonzaga School have made that alternative arrangement. We have moved from physical space to digital space. Our class 9th and 10th students are engaged in online classes ever since May 11th. It is almost 2 months since they are in these online classes. I am happy to tell you that they are very happy, and also the parents too are very happy with this new mode of learning. Though we wish to begin the online classes from class 1 to 8 from 1st of June, we could not begin it as there were restriction and ban on online classes. And therefore we initiated learning activities for all the students from class 1 to 8. I am very happy that we had a very positive response from students as well as from parents. I congratulate all the students for engaging yourself in these activities wholeheartedly. So also I congratulate all the teachers who have taken effort to give these activities and engage all of you, dear students, in these activities. As the state of Karnataka has lifted its ban on online classes and given directions to start these classes, we would like to start them from today onwards. From today, 6th of July 2020, we will be starting the online classes for classes 1 to 8 in a phased manner with the different schedules of timing. We will make sure that you all go through the learning. You will definitely have a wonderful experience of the learning. All your activities will be taken care. You will be able to write your notes, and also you will be guided in all the activities. Definitely it will be a new experience of learning through online mode. Dear students, I wish all of you the good luck, and I am sure you will gear up to this new way of learning. It in a way calls for additional responsibility from your side to be disciplined and to be responsible for your learning. Being the students of St. Aloysius Gonzaga School, you will definitely match up to this requirement. I wish all the best to you. I wish the good luck to all the parents. The online classes calls for additional responsibility from the side of parents, especially monitoring your wards and guiding them in terms of studies. I am sure you will cooperate and help your wards to move on in their learning. Online learning also calls for additional responsibility from the side of teachers. Our teachers are already prepared in this task. This is a double task for our teachers, not only imparting the lessons but also planning to give these lessons in the right way, especially using the digital mode. Dear teachers, I wish you all the best. May you have a wonderful teaching experience. May you use all your creative skills to impart learning to our students in a very creative manner. So once again, I wish all of you, students, parents, and my dear teachers, all the best for this new academic year 2021 in an alternative way of learning. All the best.